Hello YouTube. So as most of you know, if you've watched some of my videos, I lost my hiking hat on the AT Trail in New York City. I'm hoping to one day magically get it back, but at this point I don't think I will. So I went online trying to find a similar or the same hat, and I could not find the same hat, but I did find a company called HeadSweats. They make hats for running and hiking, and I'm hoping that it'll be similar or just the same as the hat that I had on trail. Again, I hope that someone will send my hat. Here's a picture of it. If you watched my videos, you'll see it, and I'm really upset that I lost it. That hat I spent over $30 for when I was in Santa Fe, New Mexico. So again, I hope I get it back, but if I don't, it's okay. I found a company that makes hats that I hope are similar. So let's see what's inside. So this is the first time I'm opening this. Obviously this is my receipt. Let's check out the hats. So far this one seems similar to the one that I wore on trail. It's got the mountain kind of heart monitor look for the logo. Oh wow, look at this one. This is pretty. It's got a little mountain sun scene. I like the colors of this one. Blue, light blue. Can't wait to try them on. They look really nice. And they do have the same soft bill as the one that I was wearing that I lost on trail, so that's a good thing. Also has the holes mesh back, so you can keep your head up. This one is definitely not what I was really looking for, but it's pretty. It's cute. I like it, but it's got a hard bill. I don't really want a hard bill when I'm on trail. The soft one was just better. I could fold it. It's easy to put away. So let's see how they feel on. Okay, so my first impression of this one is it doesn't have the backing like the other one had. It has one of those snap backings. It does have a mesh, which is pretty cool, but this one is a hard bill. It's not what I wanted. This one was the most expensive out of all of them that I bought. This one was $30. Let's try it. I mean, it's cute. I guess I could wear it sometimes. I don't know. We'd have to see how I feel. The thing that I liked about the hat that I lost on trail was the fact that it did not hurt my head after I fell, which it was soft and comfy and it didn't hurt, didn't put any pressure on it. This one's actually cute. I like it. I'm not sure if I'd wear it on trail because of the hard bill, but it is cute. Let's see. So this one is more the color of the one that I had on trail. This kind of has the same look. The backing I had. Oh, this one's, yeah. This is exactly how the other one was. I don't know if the back is the same as the other one because I don't remember it, but it's definitely soft. This bill is very soft. It's exactly what I want in a hat. Something soft, easy to put in my bag and just stuff in there and not worry about the bill getting bent or broken in any way. Nice. I like it. All right. Again, this one was kind of the color, as you saw in the photo, of the one that I lost. Still want my other one back. If anybody finds it, email me. I'll send you money to ship it to me. This one's cute. I like this little logo. Oh, this one's really cute. I like it. Again, these are what I was wanting. I'm so happy I found this company. Would I buy more? Maybe. I mean, I just bought 4. I paid for these out of my own pocket. This is not sponsored by any means. I did find a coupon where I saved $31.50. I don't remember how much I got off, but that's not bad. In total, this came to $73.50. If you look at my receipt there. Yeah. Oh, nice. I like this one. I think I like the colors better on this one. And my last one, which is a blue one. Ooh. Look at the blue mountain scene. So again, these have the breathable holes, which is what the other one that I lost on trail had. It was easy to fold. I actually had lost it because I stuffed it in between my fanny pack that I had on the front of my body, and when I was coming down the hills or the mountains and the rocks, I was following someone else and I just totally forgot that I had stuffed it there and it fell. And by the time I went back, there's no clue how far back I had lost it, and there was no way I was going back even further than what I already did. I had walked another 25 minutes back to try to look for it, and I couldn't find it. So again, if anybody finds it, please send it back to me. I would love to get my hat back. It's sentimental because I went to New Mexico, Santa Fe, and that's where I bought it, and I did do a little bit of the trail there. So that's why that hat means a lot to me. But I'm happy I now have new hats that will work just as well as the one I had. This one I'm not sure about. Maybe I'll give it to my husband. Maybe I'll give it to some YouTuber. I don't know. Let me know if anybody wants it. Subscribe, put a comment. Maybe I'll ship you this hat. By HeadSweats again. Check out their website. I'm actually very pleased with these hats. I like them a lot, and I can't wait to try them out on trail. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and check me back for more videos. I do have a big haul coming in from Boot Barnes. I don't know how many people shop there, but I bought some overalls because I've been wanting them for my upstate property. I bought new boots. I bought a sweater vest for the winter. I bought a sweater, and I bought a long vest for my Halloween costume that I'll be this year. Thanks for watching. Bye.